Tim here with Investing in Gold once again. You may have seen me in USA Today, Tech Times, and even NASDAQ.com as I continue to educate people on the importance of having exposure to precious metals. Are you thinking of diversifying your life savings with gold? Transferring your 401k to gold might be the solution that you need. Those who decide to roll over their retirement savings to 401k precious metals enjoy numerous benefits, including the fact that gold isn't closely tied to the economy. More on that later. Rolling over a 401k to gold individual retirement account is common, but many wonder how to execute the process successfully without hefty fees or penalties. It is possible to move your 401k to gold without penalty. I personally went through this process, so let me share with you my insight. Number one, let's talk about opportunity. Gold has excellent profit potential, and numerous examples prove its worth under pressure. In the year 2000, gold was approximately $200 an ounce, and by 2017, the price increased to $1,200 an ounce. Those who invested in gold over 2 decades enjoyed a huge return on investment, and this trend continues. Number two, it's a hedge. Inflation and deflation fluctuate with economic instability or political issues. Inflation is especially powerful in eroding more sensitive investment vehicles, but not gold. Gold provides a hedge against these pricing changes, immunity against the adverse effects that stocks or bonds might suffer under the same conditions. Point number three, diversification. Investing a portion of your retirement savings in gold diversifies the portfolio. Gold has a proven track record of stability when currencies, governments, when financial markets stumble. Rolling all or some of your 401k over to a gold IRA spreads out that risk. Number four is demand. Gold is a valuable resource that people want to own worldwide. India is the second largest consumer of gold globally, and Chinese investors wholeheartedly support the belief that gold bars are the absolute best way to save and invest money. Investing in gold puts you in a league with wise and experienced investors that have seen great benefits in investing in it. Number five, most importantly, is crisis. Gold is a haven in times of financial and political crisis. Not only is a hedge against inflationary pressures, but it's a tangible asset that does not lose its value. People globally purchase gold when tensions rise, and the markets see this precious metal outpacing other investments. The gold prices soar when society feels unsafe or uncertain about an economic situation or government decisions. We're going through that right now. How to move a 401k to gold without penalty. Step number one, open your gold IRA account. Now for this, you'll need a self-directed gold IRA account that you will manage. You choose the assets it holds, including bonds, stocks, and more. In this case, we're talking about precious metals. If you want to hold stocks and bonds, it's essential to find a custodian because it's illegal for US citizens to hold physical gold. This is why you need a custodian. More on that later. Why not contact a local financial institution, bank, or credit union that stores gold in IRA? Well, number one is it should be an establishment with a good reputation and reliable performance that specializes in that. I've got some quizzes below you can check out and find yours. You might need a precious metals holder or broker that specializes in this to sell it later. Now, before you buy or sell anything, find secure storage for your gold. The custodian helps you with that. The IRS must approve of this place. If you work with a company that I recommend, you will. The storage options are abundant. You'll have segregated or non-segregated, but more importantly, your broker can help you buy those metals back from you later. Step two is funding your account. Contact the company that controls your 401k retirement account and tell them you're going to send your money to your gold IRA account. This can be done with the click of a button if you work with a recommended vendor. You've got 3 options now how to do this. One is a direct rollover. This is the easiest way to move your assets, and it's unlikely to attract a penalty. It's pretty foolproof. Number 2 is a trustee-to-trustee rollover that allows you to move the money from one IRA trustee to another without tax implications. Number 3 is an indirect rollover. Now this involves transferring money from your 401k to a tax-deferred account. You receive a check and send it to the new account. You have to transfer the money within 60 days to avoid a classification and penalties for a taxable withdrawal. Very essential there. Also essential to complete all paperwork with your company before you roll over your 401k to a gold IRA. The 401k administrator will help you arrange this transfer to fund your new IRA account. Step 3, analyze gold bars and coins. You'll be presented with a numerous amount of options. When your new gold IRA has funds, you can invest gold coins or gold bars that are approved by the IRS. Any reputable company will help you with this. Number 4 is finding that dealer. More on that later. We've vetted many. Take our quiz below to find your perfect match. Step 5 is making a decision on what you'd like to invest. 5 to 20% is pretty much advisable. I'm at 17% myself. Now, if you follow these steps, there'll be minimal costs, just fees, maybe $100, $80, depending who you work with, to roll over your gold. Some administrators charge an account closure fee or a transfer fee, but that's usually $100 or less. Custodians and precious metal dealers do not charge fees. Now, here's how you could get penalties, so watch out for this. Gold IRA accounts cannot hold collectibles like stamps, antiques, or artwork. Also, withdrawing money before retirement age can have results that's a 10% penalty, except if you have a disability or death of the account owner, medical bills, higher education, and first-time home purchases. They will allow exclusions for this in some cases. The IRS allows early withdrawal penalty if you prove financial difficulties due to job loss, lack of childcare, or even a COVID-19 diagnosis. I hope we are done with that, to be honest with you. That is my guide into how to set up a gold 401k, how to move it over without penalty. It's fairly easy. Take the quiz below and you'll get matched up with a company that's a gold IRA specialist. I personally matched up and felt most comfortable with Goldco. Your options might be different. We have plenty of companies we vetted and that we recommend. There's a lot we don't recommend. So make sure you stay tuned to our channel and subscribe for future videos to find those updates.